Actually called. Okay, this is a mock circuit we set up with the bigger, better bladder going into a Yoster centrifugal pump, into an oxygenator, and back to a reservoir, which is our pseudo patient. And we're measuring two pressures in the circuit, one off the bigger, better bladder, and another one off the venous line before the centrifugal pump. And you can see on the pressure measurement, the pressures are correlating, flowing about 4.5 liters now. And as I come up on my flow to about 5 liters, the pressures continue to correlate. Now, one of the benefits of the bigger, better bladder is that you don't have any stopcocks hooked up directly into your venous line. You measure the pressure on the gas side. And if someone were by accident to open it, you could see the bladder will suck down, but you could still flow close to 3 liters through it, and you wouldn't suck air compared to measuring the pressure on the blood side. And what you would do if someone would open that by accident is first you could keep it open and turn your flow down, let the bladder refill, and close the stopcock. Then come back up to whatever flow is necessary. And you can look at the negative pressures again, and they still are correlating exactly. Another big benefit of having a bigger, better bladder in line is its air handling capabilities. I'm going to insert 5 cc's into the venous line. And you can see that all the air got caught in the better bladder. Nothing went to the centrifugal head. And it makes it very easy for evacuating it as well. I have a pigtail which is at the highest point before the bladder. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to open it to the syringe that I put on the pigtail, lower my flow, and get rid of all the air. And make sure that the pigtail is free from air. Close it and come right back on to full flow. And you can see that all the air is removed from the line. And just to maintain patency, you could refill this pigtail with saline. Now, if you didn't have a bigger, better bladder in line, and you were to put 5 cc's of air into your venous line, which we're going to do, you'll see what a centrifugal pump would do to air. You can see it's completely fizzed out. The centrifugal pump almost stopped, and there's tons of air going to the oxygenator and past the oxygenator. And I would have to actually turn off this pump and try to de-air the centrifugal head, which is almost impossible.